Today I'm gonna be reviewing the HS110D drone from Holystone. Full disclosure, this drone was sent to me by Holystone for review. However, all my opinions are my own and they will not get to actually approve or review this video before I upload it. So we're gonna take a look at the box and actually get to unbox it and see what you get when you buy it. At the same time, we're gonna take a look at some of the key features and help you decide if this drone is right for you. So the first thing you get, obviously, is gonna be the drone itself. And as you can see, the drone looks really good. It's kind of small. Obviously, I was expecting it. And you can see all the propellers are installed. Everything is kind of put together. If I flip it, this is your camera is right here. And at the same time, you can see the USB charging port is right here. And you get the on-off button right here. At the same time, you get the battery is already inside the drone. So as you can see, I can just remove it like this and put it back in like this. Second, you're gonna get the remote. And actually, as you can see, this is the remote. I need to actually mention that the remote uses AA batteries, and when you receive it, you're not gonna get the batteries, so make sure you have some AA batteries. So it takes 4 batteries in total. And third, obviously, you're gonna get the battery which is already in the drone. However, you're gonna get actually an extra battery. You're gonna get a screwdriver and you're gonna get some screws actually. As you can see in this little bag, okay, you have some screws in there. They're really small and tiny, and you could use that if you need to repair something on the drone. And you get also some protection guards, and then at the same time you get the propellers. So as you can see, you get the propellers already installed on the drone, but they send you some extra propellers, and you're still getting some extra landing gear as well. And at the same time, you get some lamp cover, you know, so you get 2 extra lamp cover, you know, just in case. And then in this little bag, you get the motor gears. And then on the top of that, you're getting the phone holder. Obviously, the last thing that you're gonna get is your instruction manual or your user guide. And I do actually recommend to actually read it because it's gonna help you understand how the drone operates. So now let's move to the key features about this drone. As you can see, the drone is super small. It's not really that big, and the material feels a little plasticky. It's super lightweight, and I think the reason behind it obviously is not a super high-end drone. It's not made for professional work. So one of the best key features obviously is gonna be the ability to be able to take full HD pictures and video. Another cool feature is actually the fact that you're gonna be able to record on SD card, and this drone is gonna use a small tiny SD card right here. And as you can see, I have one already. It does not come with an SD card, so you're gonna need to get your own SD card. And then another cool feature obviously is gonna have a Wi-Fi, a built-in Wi-Fi. So that's gonna help you actually connect your phone to the drone. At the same time, this drone has an app. You can get the Holystone app and actually be able to connect your phone to the drone using the Wi-Fi, obviously from the drone. And at the same time, you're gonna be able to kind of preview whatever the camera is showing from the drone on your phone, and you can be able to actually control some of the things on the drone using your phone. So this is a cool feature. I also love the fact that this drone comes with an extra battery. So the battery is gonna last about 10 minutes. So if you have 2 batteries on you, that means you got 20 minutes of flight. And again, the price of this drone, depending on where you buy it, you know, it's around 106 Canadian dollars. If you buy from US, it's gonna be under 100 US dollars, which is really good. So you're gonna be able to actually have fun with this drone. It's so easy to set up, it's so easy. The user guide is really straight to the point. They help you to kind of put it together and start flying right away. Who is this drone for? Personally, I feel like this drone is for anyone who's trying to get into drone photography and don't want to spend a lot of money and buy an expensive professional drone without having any flying knowledge or skills. So I feel like this will be a perfect drone for beginners, for you to kind of practice, feel what's like flying a drone. I also feel like this drone can be used for someone who's already into flying drones and you just want to have fun without being afraid of kind of crashing it. Because again, let's be honest, if you crash this drone, it's kind of plastic. It actually nothing happens, you know. Again, depends on how bad the crash was, but you crash it few times, you're gonna realize that actually the drone doesn't break easily because of the material. Plus, you have some extra gear that you get from Holystone. So if you crash and you break one propeller, you can easily replace it. So I feel like this drone can be really used to just have fun, you know, fly, do some flips and stuff like that. Just have fun, man, enjoy, you know. But another cool way to use this drone, actually, I would say if you have like a teenager, let's say daughter or son, and you want to give them a Christmas gift, or let's say a birthday gift, you can buy them this drone. Again, I have to mention that according to Holystone, they do not recommend this drone to be used if you are under 14 years old. So it's gotta be 14 years old and up. So if you have a 14 years old or 15 years old daughter or son, this will be a cool, perfect gift for them, as long as you make sure they're responsible and they can fly responsibly. Plus, it's gonna actually introduce them to drone photography, so you never know what they're gonna be able to do in the future. If you are into pro videography, this drone is not for you. Again, this drone can be used for practice. Do not expect a nice cinematic kind of footage from this drone, because really, let's be honest, it's an under $100 drone, so it's not really made for professionals. So even though it does record in full HD, the footage is not stabilized. And another thing is, I have to warn you, try to avoid flying in unstable conditions, you know, like rain, snow, or windy weather, because you may actually damage the drone or easily lose it. So I'll say fly safe and stay safe. I'm gonna put a link down below in the description if you are interested. Other than that, I appreciate you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care.